Watching an area of interest closely this weekend, it could develop into something tropical and it would be very close to home. From the Storm Center, I'm Jeff Huffman. It's not expected to be anything strong, but it could be our first tropical system of the season. It would be drifting off the coast of South Carolina and then moving south or southwestward by early next week. Even if it doesn't become an official tropical system, it will lead to unsettled conditions, especially for central and south Florida. We also have some deep tropical moisture moving across the northern Gulf. So things getting a little unsettled here close to home over the coming days. It's not unusual for a system to come at us from this direction. Remember back in 2012, Tropical Storm Beryl looked like it was headed up into the Carolinas, then it did an about face and moved right into the first coast. We, of course, had Debbie and Chris that were kind of all over the place, but they developed close to home, so it can happen. It's a weak area of low pressure, low chances right now of becoming tropical. It's going to drift toward Florida Monday through Wednesday, not necessarily moving into the state, but at least getting very close to us. The bottom line, heavy rain, primarily the concern, and probably just an uptick in the afternoon thunderstorms. I'm not anticipating sustained heavy rains. Why is it going to be moving from northeast to southwest? Big ridge of high pressure. You can see that clockwise motion around that. It's centered here over the northern Gulf of Mexico, and all the storm systems are kind of steered around that. So whatever moves off the coast of the Carolinas would drift back to the south and to the south and west until something else would pick it up and push it out to sea. It's kind of hard to see what we're talking about, but if you look at the visible satellite from Friday, there's a little bit of a spin here, a little area of low pressure, and that's what's going to move out over the warm waters of the Gulf Stream Saturday into Sunday. Check out Future Track. Look how slow it's moving. There it is Saturday. Here it is on Sunday, and it might become a tropical depression by Monday east of Cape Canaveral. That's a maybe at this point. Maybe it's a little easier to see it on the wind here. You can kind of see the winds getting organized. This is Sunday into Monday, the counterclockwise motion of the wind. Nothing very strong here, 20, 25 miles per hour, but we will certainly watch it closely. Bottom line, rain. Quite a bit of it coming in the next 7 days, especially for central and south Florida. Right now, early estimates are that during that time span, 2 to 4 inches of rain could occur, but I, of course, think maybe locally higher amounts might occur with some of those stronger thunderstorms. Stay tuned for updates over the weekend and early next week.